All right, Austin, thanks so much. We begin tonight with a high-profile wrongful death case being considered in Little Rock's federal court. The widow of airport executive Brian Malinowski is suing the ATF and 11 agents over her husband's fatal shooting in a pre-dawn raid. Channel 7's Daniela DeHogany joins us live from downtown Little Rock with the very latest. Daniela.
Well, Beth, in the early hours of a March morning last year, a knock, a door forced open, and gunfire. And tonight, the question, if federal power oversteps, can the law hold agents accountable? Before daylight on March 19, 2024, ATF agents descended on the home of 53-year-old Brian Malinowski, the executive director of the Clinton National Airport. They'd been investigating whether he was illegally selling firearms without a federal license. Within seconds, shots fired. One agent struck. Malinowski fatally shot in the head. Brian's wife, Mayor Malinowski, filed a wrongful death lawsuit accusing agents of excessive force and an unnecessarily aggressive dynamic entry. She wants a jury to decide not just what happened, but whether federal agents should be held responsible.
The judge is going to hear two motions filed by the government. Now, these two motions, if granted, will effectively end the case.
The government is asking the judge to dismiss claims under the Federal Tort Claims Act and under the Bivens Doctrine, which allow people to sue federal officers personally for violating constitutional rights.
They're very complicated motions. The barriers are high to get past, and the Supreme Court has really narrowed a Bivens action.
If this judge sides with the government, the case ends here. No jury. Cheatham says that would mean no accountability from anyone personally involved. The government is arguing that allowing this case to move forward could chill legitimate law enforcement operations. But critics see something else. A system where families grieving a loved one killed by federal agents can't even present the facts in court.
This individual hadn't even been accused of a crime. He was just being investigated. The government's motion is denied. It will allow this case to proceed to trial so that a jury can decide what the proper amount of damages are. Cases like this to actually get their day in court, so to speak.
And tonight, those answers may never come. The judge could dismiss every claim ending the Malinowski case, and what that would mean for Mrs. Malinowski, a long uphill appeal. On your side, I'm Daniela DeHogany.
Okay, Daniela, thanks a lot. And if you would like to read more about the Malinowski case, just head over to KATV.com for complete coverage.